The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.